Most people apply cluster lashes the wrong way. Now let me show you how to apply your cluster lashes to look like lash extension. Cluster lashes is supposed to look natural, and I'm going to show you how to do that with the right placement.
To achieve this cat eye effect, we'll be using this tray, this bond, this particular picker, and this other one. Next, I'm going to apply this bond on my natural lashes. To achieve that cat eye effect, I'll go in with 24 from the last tray I showed you.
Another 24. Still 24. After applying it, don't be in a rush to use your spoolie brush to brush it up, or just allow it to dry. The next thing we are going to do, we'll go in with 22. Pick 22. Pick your glue. Make sure the glue is not too much. After applying it, use this other side to press under. Press the under part and make sure that there is no lashes shooting out from this other side. Can you see the cat eye effect is already giving us that lifted eye? That is exactly what we want to achieve in this video. Now after that, we go in with 22. Place it just next to the previous one. Did you see that? If you want to achieve your cluster lashes to look like lash extension just like mine, do not skip any of this video. Make sure you watch it to the end. Make sure you watch it to the end so you don't skip the important part. So after that, to go in with 18, place it just next to the previous one. Make sure you don't skip this video. Do not forward it. I'm taking my time to explain everything. Make sure you do not forward this video, just so that you will achieve a clean lashes like mine. Check, you are not seeing any glue. This is very, very clean. Can you see that? This is very, very clean. Do not skip any of this video. Don't forward it, just so you do not forward the important part. Okay, so the next
thing we're going to go in is 18.
Look up, apply it on the base of your lashes. Did you see that? Oh my god, you guys, can you see the lifted effect? Can you see the lifted effect? The cat eye effect. Do not skip. I'll keep screaming it. If you forwarded it to this part, go back. I'm just going to pause. Go back and watch. I cannot take my time to explain and not skip any parts. And you are forwarding it. Why are you forwarding it? Why are you forwarding it? Go back and watch it from the beginning. Because there's something I said in the beginning that you will not get it here. So go back and watch it from the beginning. Okay? So the next thing, we'll go in with 18. Go back and watch it from the beginning. You'll be glad you watched it from the beginning, because this video is very detailed. You'll be glad you watched it from the beginning. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to go in with 18. Take it under, just on the base of your natural lashes. Apply it there. Easy, right?
Now that we are done applying the lashes, the next thing you're going to do is go in with this tool, use the clean wipes to clean this so that it does not stick to your lashes, and then hold it this way, press it, press it, and then press it. Do the same thing over here, press it, press, press, press. Now we're done with the cluster lashes. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, it's easy, it's beautiful, it brings out your beauty, because look at me before and then look at me looking all okay. So let me know, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer cluster lashes or you still prefer strip lashes? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to see more of this beautiful tutorial, click the subscribe button, and then see you guys in the next one. Bye.